Top 5 Weight Loss Salad Ingredients. Boost your journey to a healthier you. Hey there, welcome back to my Healthy Living channel. Today, I have an incredibly exciting topic that will take your journey to a healthier you to the next level. We're going to delve into the top 5 weight loss salad ingredients. These ingredients are not only delicious but also packed with powerful nutrients that support weight loss. In this video, I'll explain the incredible nutritional benefits of each ingredient, how they aid in weight loss, and provide you with some creative ways to incorporate them into your salads. So, let's get started and elevate your salads to new heights. Step 1. Our first superstar ingredient for weight loss salads is leafy greens. These nutritional powerhouses are low in calories but high in fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and helps you feel full for longer periods. Leafy greens are also rich in vitamins and minerals that nourish your body. To start, choose a mix of vibrant spinach, nutrient-dense kale, peppery arugula, or crispy romaine lettuce. Give them a good wash, chop them into bite-sized pieces, and you're ready to create your salad foundation. Step 2. Moving on to our second key ingredient, lean proteins. Adding lean proteins to your weight loss salads is a game changer. Not only do they increase satiety, keeping you satisfied for hours, but they also aid in building and repairing muscles. Some fantastic options include grilled chicken breast, succulent turkey, versatile tofu, plant-based beans, or protein-packed quinoa. Prep these proteins by marinating them with your favorite herbs and spices, grill or cook them to perfection, and slice or dice them into bite-sized pieces. Now you have a protein-packed addition to take your salads to the next level. Step 3. Colorful vegetables. Let's add some vibrant colors and a whole lot of nutrition with our third essential ingredient, colorful vegetables. These beauties not only provide a visual feast but also supply your body with an array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Think about incorporating vibrant bell peppers, sweet cherry tomatoes, crunchy carrots, refreshing cucumbers, and zesty radishes. Wash them thoroughly, slice or chop them into various shapes and sizes to create interesting textures, and scatter them over your salad for a burst of flavor and nutrition. Step 4. Healthy fats. Now it's time to talk about healthy fats, our fourth game-changing ingredient. Don't be afraid of fats. They play a crucial role in weight loss and overall health. Healthy fats provide a feeling of satiety, support brain function, and help absorb essential fat-soluble vitamins. Avocados, nuts like almonds or walnuts, seeds such as chia or flax seeds, and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil are fantastic choices. Dice up some creamy avocados, chop the nuts for a satisfying crunch, sprinkle the seeds for added texture, and drizzle a little olive oil over your salad to take it to the next level of deliciousness. Step 5. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about flavorful dressings, our fifth and final essential ingredient. Dressings have the power to elevate your salads from ordinary to extraordinary. Opt for lighter and healthier dressings that add a burst of flavor without piling on unnecessary calories. Homemade dressings are the best way to go, allowing you to control the ingredients. Consider using tangy balsamic vinegar, zesty lemon juice, creamy Greek yogurt, or a touch of spicy mustard as a base. Experiment with your favorite herbs and spices to create your unique flavor profile. Whisk all the ingredients together, and you'll have a tantalizing dressing that will bring your weight loss salads to life. Conclusion. And there you have it, the top 5 weight loss salad ingredients that will boost your journey to a healthier you. By incorporating leafy greens, lean proteins, colorful vegetables, healthy fats, and flavorful dressings, you're creating salads that are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that support weight loss. Remember, portion control is key, so be mindful of the quantity of each ingredient you include. I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration to create your own amazing weight loss salads. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more healthy living tips, and share it with others who are on their own health journeys. Thanks for watching, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next video. Top 5